Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing an Empties video. I was trying to do one every month, but I feel like I need to do it more often than that because I'm starting to have more and more empties. So we're gonna group this, but I don't know, we'll see. Depending on what I've already posted, because I'm kind of behind in posting other Empties videos, as I always am, but that's the problem. I need to stay on track. I'm gonna start with body care. First thing is this Serum Advanced Repair Lotion. It is one of my favorite lotions. It actually works on my super dry skin and it's really thick, but it does dissolve very well into the skin. I have come across lotions that are really thick, white, and they leave this annoying white film on your skin. This does not do that. It actually dissolves into your skin. So I really like it. If you have dry skin, very dry skin, like severely dry skin, definitely give this a try. You might like it. You probably will like it. Also in body care, I have this The Right to Shower Joy Head to Toe Cleanser, and this scent is in Tangerine Honeysuckle. I have talked about these before. This is just another fragrance that I have. I still love it very much. It's a great cleanser, and the fact that they give back is even better. 100% vegan, sulfate-free, paraben-free, moisturizing, soothing, gentle, and mild. I can attest to all of that. No artificial colors, and basically when you buy their products, they turn ordinary trucks and buses into mobile showers for people living on the streets. It's not just shower wash. They actually are giving back to people, you know, and giving them mobile showers to shower in, which is amazing. Like I see people all the time on the street and I'm like, okay, how do they shower? You know, and for a company to be doing something like that to help out with that, that's awesome. And I'm happy to support a brand that does that. Done with body care, let's do hair care. I have the Main Choice Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel. This stuff is beyond phenomenal. I remember when this brand was available at Walmart. I think they still have a few products there, but this is not available. This is the best gel I've ever used. Better than Eco Styler. If you have natural hair, you know Eco Styler is bomb. But Eco Styler also has crappy ingredients. And this doesn't. It doesn't have sulfates, it doesn't have parabens, no formaldehydes, no mineral oil, nothing like that. And I'm actually looking for this. I saw some on Sally's and I think it was on sale. I need to go ahead and check it out. I had like 5 of these in my cart. I love this stuff. I would buy both things I showed you already again. And this is awesome. It really defined my curls. Last hair care product is this Pure Oils Soothing Deep Treatment Mask. This is a deep conditioner. I use this. It smells great. Whoa, it took a big whiff of that. Damn! It smells great. It has avocado oil, banana fruit extract, cocoa butter, free of parabens, sulfates, all of that good stuff. And it's made by Silk Elements. I didn't even know that. That's wow. Okay, wow. And it has eucalyptus and honey. Oh, that's why it smells like that. Open up my sinuses.
Nice.
If you've ever kind of relaxed or back in the day, if you still do, you know, when you get or you request dandruff shampoo from your hairstylist, how it tingles your scalp and your scalp feels amazing after it rinses out. This does the same thing. It gives your scalp a cooling sensation. I really like it. I would definitely buy this again. Makeup. These are the Red Cherry number 117 lashes. I don't have the lashes obviously because I used them. And then these are the SF 113 Stardoll Lash. I'll try to insert and find pictures of these. I don't really like the 113s. I did at one point, but they're not my style of lash. I prefer wispier lashes, and these aren't. The 117s are okay. They're just really long. I probably wouldn't buy either one of these again, but they are nice if those types of lashes are your style. Also, makeup Spite Eyebrow Pencil from MAC. Y'all know this is Holy Grail back in the day, and they sent me another one, and I used it up again. It's awesome. It's the perfect brow pencil. They're just expensive because you use them up so fast. I wouldn't buy them again, or I wouldn't buy this again just because they're cheaper alternatives to this. But it's a great eye pencil. Just keep in mind it may run out quickly. And that's ultimately why I stopped buying it. Lashes. Oops. These are the Ardell 3D Faux Mink lashes. These are other lashes. These are the number 857s. These are alright. They're not as wispy as I would like. I don't know. I just don't like them. I don't know. Something about them I just don't like. They're too natural or something. But if you like a natural lash, these are great. They do apply really easily. They have a clear band, so if you like Ardell, you like Foamique, try them. Bobbi Brown, I opened a mascara. I used this up. Well, I didn't use it up. I used it for 2 months and then I put it in here. It's a great mascara. It really defined my lashes and volumized. I would definitely buy this again. And the brush is outstanding. I'm sure you've seen it several times on here. There's still product in here, but after 2 months, I throw it away because that's what you're supposed to do. But the brush is nice and chunky, so it really defines your lashes. I love it. I always have a ton of skincare. You know this. This is the Almay biodegradable micellar makeup removal cleansing towelettes. 25 wipes come in here. These are pretty good. They worked a lot better than some other makeup wipes that I've tried. And you can use them and not have to wash your face afterwards because it has micellar water infused in them. I would definitely get these again. They're great to travel with too. It's only 25 in here. This is the Masque Bar Silver Foil Sheet Mask. I love all of their masks. And I don't have anything bad to say about it. It just makes your skin feel good. It hydrates and adds moisture back into your skin. Great to go to bed with. Your skin feels so luscious and luxurious. And it does have aloe leaf juice, anise fruit extract, and camellia leaf extract. Definitely buy again. I love masks so much. This is the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. Has salicylic acid. It's for all skin types. This is like a toner. It's an exfoliating toner, so that's how I used it. And I love it. It didn't have, I don't think it has any alcohol in it because it didn't dry my skin out. No, it doesn't. But it's not irritating. I'll buy it again. It's a great toner. And I feel like it really, if you wash your face and you've worn makeup throughout the day, you wash your face, it really took off that extra layer of makeup. So it does what it's supposed to do. It exfoliated everything off my skin. Speaking of exfoliators, this is the Hello Body Cocoa Pure Coffee Face Scrub. This felt amazing. It does have like coffee grinds in it, so it has those hardening mechanisms that you feel whenever you use exfoliator. I love it. It smells amazing. And I'll buy it again. I have one cleanser. This is the Ren Clean Skincare Ever Calm Gentle Cleansing Milk. I love this so much. I'm gonna tell y'all something that's probably TMI, but that's okay because y'all know how I roll on here and in life in general. I'm a TMI person. This cleanser is definitely gentle. Let me tell you why. I have a very, very sensitive vagina, okay? I cannot use crazy soap down there. I cannot use anything scented. Literally nothing. I can't even use, scented soap like Dove or anything like that down there. It has to have no scent, literally. So literally Doll, the brown, orange, old-fashioned Doll, Ivory, people, I don't use Ivory, but I'm saying a long time ago I did. Literally, I have to use water. It's that bad. This is gentle because I did an experiment. I was like, I wonder how gentle this is. It says it's for sensitive. Now, keep in mind, this is not a way you can use this. It's meant to cleanse your face, okay? But I did use it on my vagina and I didn't get a yeast infection. So it's truly gentle like it says. And it is great also for cleaning your face. It's great for cleaning your face. But if you're using it after makeup, if you've worn makeup and you want to wash your face, you will have to use something else before this because this is a gentle cleanser. So you can use it after your first cleanser if you want to double cleanse. It's great for that to remove extra makeup that the first cleanser didn't get off. But if you're not wearing makeup, you strictly want to wash your face, it's great. Your skin feels super hydrated. Doesn't feel like it removes any type of moisture from your skin because of how gentle it is. Definitely will buy it again. This is from their Ever Calm line. I have 2 serums and then we're done. This is the Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair 20% Vitamin C Serum. These are the little capsules that you break open. I did a review on this. I posted about this. I had a sponsorship with Neutrogena talking about these and I really like them. I love how convenient they are. You can travel with them super easily. Put them inside a Ziploc bag. You don't have to take this. Put them inside a Ziploc bag and travel like that if you want. And literally everything is in those 3 things. There's nothing you have to squirt, nothing you have to pump, squeeze. It's just 3 little, well, I use 3 at a time because my skin requires a lot of moisture. So I use 3. I guess you could use 1 because they're supposed to last you 30 days. Yeah, 1 capsule. I was using 3 just because I felt like I needed it. I don't definitely get this again because of how convenient it is. It didn't irritate my skin, it didn't break me out, it didn't leave any dry spots on my face. Lastly, I have the bareMinerals Active Soul Renewal Night Serum. I don't even know if they still make this, but I still had it. It was still brand new, unopened, so I used it. I sold so many of these when I used to work at bareMinerals. I sold so many. It was $50 back in the day. I had no idea. And this is a decade ago. I have no idea how much it is now, but I loved this stuff back then. I still love it. It's expensive, but I feel like it's worth it. You want to invest in your skincare because if you don't, you're going to end up going to a dermatologist and you're going to pay them. So you may as well do it now, okay? But I like the serum. It really, really added hydration to my skin. And I felt my skin, I saw my skin be super glowy after using this the next morning. And if you've seen my selfies, if you are friends with me on Facebook or whatever, on Instagram, you see how my skin is. I truly believe it has something to do with this because when I used to use it back in the day, it did the same thing. So I'll definitely buy this again. I don't know if you can. Maybe it's on Amazon or somewhere like that, but it's an awesome serum. Hope you guys enjoyed my Empties video. And if you've tried any of these products, let me know down below. If you have, rate the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss any videos I post. Also check out my luxury channel in case you have not already. And subscribe if you like that type of content. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.